Rose v. Crompton Bros, 1925, is a significant English contract law case that examines whether an agreement was intended to create legal relations. The dispute arose between Mr. Rose and Crompton Bros Limited, a company engaged in the manufacture and supply of paper. The parties entered into a written agreement under which Crompton Bros agreed to supply paper to Rose over a period of time. However, the document included a clause stating that the arrangement was an honourable pledge and was not subject to legal jurisdiction. When Crompton Bros later failed to supply the paper as agreed, Rose brought an action for breach of contract, claiming damages for the losses he had suffered. The central issue before the court was whether the agreement constituted a legally binding contract or merely a moral or social understanding without legal force. The House of Lords held that the agreement was not legally enforceable. Their lordships emphasized that, although the arrangement contained all the usual elements of a commercial contract, including clear obligations and consideration, the express wording of the document demonstrated that the parties did not intend to be legally bound. The honourable pledge clause was decisive, as it showed that the parties wished to rely on mutual trust and good faith rather than legal remedies. The court reaffirmed that intention to create legal relations is an essential element of a binding contract and that parties are free to exclude legal enforceability if they clearly express that intention. As a result, Rose's claim failed. The principle established in Rose v. Crompton Bros is that even in commercial settings, where agreements are usually presumed to be legally binding, this presumption can be rebutted by clear and express words showing a contrary intention. The case remains an important authority on the role of intention in contract formation, demonstrating that courts will respect the parties' expressed wishes and will not impose legal obligations where they have deliberately chosen to rely on honor rather than law.